Samsung speeds up development of its tri-folding phone with a new patent. To be honest, I think that the single folding phone is plenty. I don't think we really need a three-way one, but a cool concept at least. Now, these phones we've seen before work in folding into a V shape. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's cool. They're filing patents to patent the patent of the phone, or whatever. You got sensors and hinges and sensors and chips and hinges and all that stuff being patented here. Cool concept. I don't think a three folding device will just take off. To be completely honest, as somebody who has a folding phone, if I had to fold it 3 times to get it open, or twice, or whatever it is, I probably would stop using it over just a regular folding over over just the main display. I find myself more and more using the main display on my device as it is, and well, it's great to have the iPad feature. If it was a triple fold, I don't even know if I would bother. So we'll just see what happens here.